Hello guys, selecting the sampling brush tools in Adobe Photoshop. Start by selecting sampling brush tool from the toolbar, changing the brush size. Then with the sampling brush tools active, change the size of your brush using the size options in the options bar, or you can change brush size using the left and right brackets key on your keyboard. The left brackets make brush smaller and right brackets key makes larger. The related and discover Photoshop hidden brush tool tips and tricks. The brush size options in the options bar.